Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cute version of Toad in the Hole for Valentine's Day, for your significant other or yourself, or just for a lovely day and nice breakfast for yourself. It's gorgeous. So this is what you're going to need. It's really hard. It's very difficult, this recipe, so make sure you pay attention. I'm lying, it's so easy, it's amazing. Oh. So for 2 people, you're just going to need 2 thickly sliced pieces of white bread, about 2 tablespoons of butter, about 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, some freshly chopped chives, or I've got parsley here, 2 fresh eggs, salt and pepper to taste. That's right, they're in Tartuses, get on a level. A little heart-shaped cutout. All right, so what we're gonna do first is get our white bread and spread some mayonnaise on either side, just a light bit. I know that sounds weird, but this really helps crisp up the bread. I learned this from my cousins in America, and I do it every time I make grilled cheese or this. It's amazing. Of course, you can skip the step, but do it. It's amazing. Now, you can go as little mayonnaise or as much as you want. I like making sure it's evenly spread out over the whole piece of bread. Then flip the bread and cover the other side. Now I'm going to take my heart-shaped cookie cutter. Now you can also take a round cookie cutter. This is traditionally what Toad in a Hole is, but it's Valentine's Day. It's lovely. Let's make it a heart. Why not? So just press in the center of your bread, wiggle it out, and there you have it. So now what we're going to do is go over to the fry pan, put it on a medium-high heat, melt some butter, and put our bread in. So hard. Now on a medium heat, place about half a tablespoon of butter into the pan and let it melt. Then we're going to put one of our pieces of toast into the pan and let it cook for a couple of minutes until it's golden brown. Then we're going to flip it.
Nice.
And add the cracked egg. You can add a bit more butter at this stage as well. And then we're going to let it cook on a medium-low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes until the egg whites have set. Now this should leave your yolk nice and runny. If you don't like a runny yolk, you can always flip it again to cook it all the way through.
How? That was very skillful.
The egg's done. Eggs. Okay, let's do this gently. Now, of course, you can flip this over if you want to have your yolk completely cooked through. Then chop some fresh chives or parsley. I've got parsley here. And then we're going to sprinkle it on top to serve. Season with salt and pepper if you need, and then it's done. Okay guys, so that's how you make my adorable little heart Toad in the Hole. I hope you try it. It's such a quick and simple recipe to make for your significant other or yourself on Valentine's Day, or any day of the week if you just want to feel a bit fancy. And it's so easy, anyone can do it, probably. Don't know. But it's really great, really simple, and let's try it. Come on, Flavia, let's eat. I'm so excited. So Flavia does like her yolk runny, I don't. So that I flipped mine, she didn't. It's easy, but yeah, you ready?
It looks so cute. What? It doesn't fall out.
I know.
I was like, what are you doing?
Like, yeah.
I was like, that.
But yeah, it's so cute.
Cheers. Cheers.
How good you can taste like the mayo, can't you?
You can. I was going to say.
Actually, you can't taste it, but the texture is different.
It just gives it a little something extra.
A little something. Also, just appreciate this. Hold on. It's so crispy. Should have probably just did that with the camera. Just look like a numpty now. Happy Valentine's Day.